Bloating implies a fullness in the abdomen, often from gas, air, sometimes from an excessive amount of stool. What I would suggest is try drinking some tea or water. Sometimes that helps things to move along in the gastrointestinal system. Occasionally, fiber, such as methylcellulose or citrusel, can also help the bowels move along. And there are some over-the-counter medications such as simethicone that can reduce gas and bloating as well. If bloating persists, make sure you have your physician check it out to see that there's nothing more serious, such as a gallbladder issue, abdominal obstruction, or something of that sort. But in general, some dietary changes, fiber, and over-the-counter medication should do the trick.